हेलो माय डियर फ्रेंड्स एंड स्टूडेंट्स। ये जो इंटरव्यू अभी आप देखेंगे ये निखिल नाम के स्टूडेंट का है। एक चीज़ मैं ज़रूर आपको बता दूं, इस तरह के इंटरव्यूज़ जब रिकॉर्ड किए जाते हैं तो बच्चा काफ़ी नर्वस हो जाता है कैमरा कॉन्शियसनेस की वजह से। इतना आसान नहीं होता जब आपको पता हो कि आपकी रिकॉर्डिंग हो रही है तो आप अपने जवाब भूल जाते हैं, आप अपना जो नेचुरल एक कंपोजर होता है वो भूल जाते हैं। तो इसलिए आप इस चीज़ को ज़रूर कंसिडर करें इस तरह के इंटरव्यू देखते वक्त। तो ये जो बच्चा है निखिल, इसके भी आंसर्स थोड़ा सा डिले हो रहे थे और ये बच्चा बार बार नीचे की तरफ देख रहा था और आई कांटेक्ट भी ठीक से इस्टेब्लिश नहीं कर रहा था और ये रिकॉर्डिंग की वजह से है। अदरवाइज़ इस बच्चे की जो ग्रामेटिकल रेंज है या एक्यूरेसी है वो काफ़ी हद तक ठीक है 6 बैंड के लिहाज से, और जो कंटेंट है वो भी बेहतर है। प्रोनाउंसिएशन फ्लुएंसी ज़रूर अफेक्ट हुई है रिकॉर्डिंग की वजह से, लेकिन हम ये इंटरव्यूज़ आपके रेफरेंस के लिए बनाते हैं ताकि एक नए बच्चे का क्या आइडिया है वो एक्सपोजर आपको मिल सके, पूरा आइल्स का पैटर्न क्या होता है उससे आपको सीखने को मिल सके। तो मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि इन इंटरव्यू से आपको ज़रूर फ़ायदा मिलेगा, लेकिन बच्चे को जज करते वक्त आप इस चीज़ का ध्यान ज़रूर रखें कि रिकॉर्डिंग के वक्त उसकी परफॉर्मेंस डिक्लाइन होती है। इसी तरह सीखते रहिए, खुश रहिए, आबाद रहिए और मैं उम्मीद करता हूँ कि आप अपने आइल्स के एग्ज़ाम में बेहतर स्कोर ज़रूर लेकर आएंगे।
How are you?
I'm fine, sir.
Are you comfortable?
Yes.
Shall we begin the interview?
Yes, sir.
Okay, my name is Ashwini and I'll be taking your IELTS interview today.
Okay.
And we'll begin with the introductory part. So firstly, tell me your full name.
My full name is Nikhil Sani. Please just call me Nikhil.
Okay, Nikhil, can I see your ID?
Yes, of course.
Okay, thank you. Nikhil, are you a student or you work?
Well, I recently passed out my 12th standard class. So, and I currently working on my English communication skills because I wanted to apply for further study. So it will be a great help if I got good band score in IELTS class.
Okay, good. Now I'll ask you some questions about your health, right? Are you a health conscious person?
Yes, of course, I am a health conscious person. I recently joined a health group which really helped me a lot in my exercise part. I am really grateful for them, and the whole process I working on is really helpful for my body. I concentrate my mind on my study also.
Okay. What particular activities you do in your everyday life that help you in staying fit?
Well, to keep my body fit, I do like morning walk. I daily walk about 2 to 3 miles with my uncle. But for some reasons, during the cold weather, I do not keep that process in way. So
Is it easy to be fit in the area where you live?
where I live, it is there are lots of places like parks where families and lots of children came there to play and keep their body healthy. So where I live, there are lots of places that where I go for my exercise and for hangout sometime with my friends.
Do you have a good public healthcare system in your country?
Well, the process is currently going on for maintaining better park stations and for public and the society, and there are lots of abhiyans going on also for maintaining the health standard of the society.
Is there anything you want that should improve, especially in the healthcare system?
Well, there should be a good places for meditations in the locality. There should be government should take care that in mind, so that people can came there and to feel relaxed and comfort their mind for the whole weekday process they are going through.
Okay. Now I'll ask you a couple of questions about sports. So do you engage in regular sports activities?
Well, Unfortunately not, because I'm busy with my study, because I am currently doing IELTS for my further for my further education process. But last year I take part in football club, which was very good in my health, and I also take part in some tournaments also.
Are there many sports club in the area where you live?
Well, yes, there are lots of sports club, like football club where I joined past year, and the cricket club also. And there is one boy who recently joined the cricket club, which is very beneficial for him, and he also go to the district games of the cricket tournament.
Which sports are more popular in your country?
Well, in my country, the cricket is the most popular game among people, because most of the people enjoyed it while watching it on TV, and the people worship the cricket players of India, like they were pretty more famous than the celebrities or like actors.
Okay, this is the end of part 1. Let's move on to part 2. It's a cue card. You can make notes for 1 minute, then you have to speak from 1 to 2 minutes. And your cue card is: tell about an interesting news you recently heard or read somewhere, what it was about, where and how you got it, why it was interesting, explain how your reaction was.
इस बुक का नाम है इंग्लिश रिवाइंड। जो बच्चे आइल्स और पीटी में स्ट्रगल करते हैं उनके लिए स्पेशली मैंने इस बुक को बनाया है। जिनको लगता है कि इंग्लिश ग्रामर में वो गलती कर रहे हैं, इंग्लिश ग्रामर की रेंज नहीं है, जिसकी वजह से वो स्पीकिंग में अच्छा नहीं कर पाते, आइल्स की राइटिंग में अच्छा नहीं कर पाते और रीडिंग के पैसेजेस को भी नहीं समझ पाते, वो बच्चे इस बुक को एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। डिस्क्रिप्शन में लिंक दिया हुआ है। हमारी मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन पे जाके वो इसकी ई बुक की कॉपी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं। और अगर आप चाहते हैं कि आपको इस बुक में दिए गए जो 16 चैप्टर हैं, जी हाँ, एक कंप्लीट इंग्लिश की बुक में बहुत ज़्यादा चैप्टर्स होते हैं, लेकिन इसमें केवल 16 चैप्टर्स हैं जिसमें मैंने पूरी इंग्लिश की ग्रामर को कवर करने की कोशिश की है। उनको पूरा एक्सप्लेन किया है मैंने 16 वीडियोस के अंदर, और वो वीडियो भी एक कोर्स इंग्लिश रिवाइंड के नाम से हमारी मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन पे पड़ा हुआ है। उस कोर्स के ज़रिए वो ये 16 वीडियो एक्सेस कर सकते हैं, साथ में इस किताब को भी एक्सेस कर सकते हैं और उससे अपनी इंग्लिश कम्युनिकेशन को बेहतर कर सकते हैं। तो आप अगर चाहते हैं कि आप इस कोर्स को करें तो नीचे डिस्क्रिप्शन में जो लिंक है उससे हमारी मोबाइल एप्लीकेशन पे जाएं और वहाँ पे जाके इस कोर्स की डिटेल देखकर इस कोर्स को आप बाय कर सकते हैं।
Okay, Nikhil, speak up.
Well, the interesting news I recently heard about is that my friend got 8 band score in IELTS, and he blessed with a good band score in their exam. And when I heard this news, I got surprised, and then I recently called him for congratulating him, and and I praise him a lot that he achieved a good band score in his IELTS, so that he can administrate in a good university, and his goal is to take admission in the Montreal University in Canada for his computer software engineering. And he was very surprised to see to hear his result also, and he really prepared it for about 4 months, and he finally achieved his goal by achieving good band score in IELTS exam. This news very interesting for me, because I also wanted to take a IELTS exam so that I can go for abroad for my further study also, and I currently working on this goal so that I can be like him, and I got good score like him.
Okay, Nikhil, this is the end of part 2. Let's move to part 3, which is follow-up section. Why do you think that any news spread like fire nowadays?
Because nowadays the news media covers all the information about what's going in our society and in our country, so that people can aware about the news and be restrict about like news about crimes. Crimes are spread like fire. So media play an important role also by spreading these kinds of news for aware the society.
Do you think that news media are fairly bearing their responsibilities these days?
Well, yes, because media these days are very assertive about the news spreading in our country. News about the COVID-19 has been going on recently, and lots of news channel has taken it serious and spreading this news constantly on every channel, so that people can be aware and be cautious.
How can media networks be used efficiently for good purpose?
Media network can be used deliberately for a good purpose, like media can provide good news about awareness of anything, like people can aware about the crimes going on in our society, and especially for women and media also constantly providing the news about the women empowerment, so that our society can be aware about and women can be united and get freedom and their rights.
Is it important for people to be updated with current news, in your view?
Well, in my views, people can be aware about the current news because it can help both the society and the news channel also, so that news channel can increase their viewership, so that people can watch the previous channel for their news, and it can also helpful for the society, because recent news can be about awareness about any like pandemic like COVID-19, and also the crimes.
Okay, Nikhil, this is the end of your speaking test.